This article, Midjourney Prompts Number 8, Action-Packed Keywords for Creating Dynamic Action Videos, serves as a focused guide to effective prompting strategies for generating dynamic action scenes within Midjourney. It deconstructs the process of crafting prompts that translate into visually compelling and engaging sequences. The core prompting technique revolves around the cinematic action shot template, cinematic action shot of keyword, dynamic action, AR aspect ratio, motion high, video 1. The article emphasizes the strategic selection of the keyword element, providing a tiered system of over 50 action-oriented keywords categorized by complexity and creative potential. Beyond keyword selection, the article delves into critical prompting modifiers. It highlights the importance of the AR aspect ratio parameter for controlling the visual framing of the action and the motion high parameter for emphasizing dynamism. Furthermore, it addresses common prompting challenges and offers targeted solutions. For instance, to correct directional ambiguity, e.g., a character running towards danger, the article recommends incorporating explicit directional cues within the prompt, such as running away towards the camera or escaping to higher ground. The article also acknowledges the limitations imposed by Midjourney's content moderation system and provides guidance on crafting prompts that imply action without explicitly depicting graphic violence. It encourages users to experiment with subtle language and suggestive imagery to achieve desired results while adhering to platform guidelines. Ultimately, this article equips Midjourney users with a practical toolkit for mastering action scene prompting, emphasizing the strategic combination of keywords, modifiers, and problem-solving techniques to unlock the full potential of AI-driven video creation.